Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify AWS API Gateway logs and access policies, beginner guide step-by-step clearly. To verify AWS API Gateway logs and access policies, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the API Gateway service by using the search bar at the top of the console. Once in the API Gateway dashboard, select the API you want to verify. In the left sidebar, click on Stages to view the stages associated with your API. Choose the specific stage you wish to inspect. Scroll down to the Logs/Tracing section within the stage settings. Here, ensure that the Enabled CloudWatch Logs option is checked. Next, specify the desired logging level that suits your monitoring needs. Save your changes and navigate to the CloudWatch service in the AWS console. In CloudWatch, click on Logs in the left sidebar. Find the log group associated with your API gateway. The log group is typically named in the format /AWS/API Gateway/API name. Click on the log group to view the log streams. Select the most recent log stream to examine the logs generated by your API. Review the logs for any errors or issues related to your API requests. To verify access policies, return to the API Gateway dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Resource Policy. This section displays the current resource policies attached to your API. Review these policies to ensure they grant the necessary permissions. Make any adjustments as needed to restrict or allow access to your API. Once you've confirmed your logs and access policies, document any changes for future reference. By following these steps, you can effectively verify your AWS API Gateway logs and access policies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.